You'll find that your neighbour is very upset because whatever the problem is probably impacting their daily life. So you've got to put yourself in sort of their shoes almost to get why it is that that they're upset. Now, if they're not being very clear, feel free to ask questions. You know, you can also, even if you're the one that's been approached, you can actually ask them, why is this bothering you? Because you genuinely need to know what it is bothering them in order for you to make an informed decision, because there's no point in you making a rash decision and then saying yes or no without knowing all the details. So if you're finding that your neighbour isn't giving you enough information, then feel free to ask as many questions as you need in the context of actually clarifying the issue. You don't need to ask personal questions. It's just a matter of you working out what's going on in your own head in order to help you make a better decision.
Sometimes when you're in dispute with a neighbour, they might be very upset and it might not be clear to you why they're so upset. So what is often important is to actually acknowledge that that person is really upset and try and understand what it is that's upsetting for them. A good way to do that is to ask questions that are open questions. So I'm wondering why you're so upset about this, or you seem more upset than I might have expected. Is there something else I need to understand? Is there something else that I don't know about that might be affecting how you feel about that? It's important to acknowledge that what might seem trivial to you might have great meaning for someone else or be really important to someone else. And unless you understand that, how upset they are might seem out of proportion to you.